Oh, we're back again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something different, as you might have seen from the intro. Today we are doing an unboxing and a review slash first impressions of a digital multimeter. I know you might be asking, why am I doing a review on a multimeter? Firstly, I'm bored, and secondly, I know like this is also tech, so you're just doing new stuff, seeing how they work. So let's get right into it. Okay, firstly, we are going to take a look at the multimeter itself, everything and how it is. So as you can see, it has like this plastic. It's like made of plastic. The sides are made of plastic, and it has something at the back. Let me see. Let me check this out. Okay, we got that right off. So it's a 9 volts battery, and that is what powers the multimeter. Okay, let's slip that back in. So you might be asking what's the name of the multimeter. Here I think it doesn't have it's just a model. It's called the 8300 series, as you can see here. Is that focusing? I got my hand on this multimeter from school. They give us at school during a student work experience program, what they call SWEP. And yeah, that's it. So right away we are going to test this out on a AAA battery. We already know it's a AAA battery, but it's going to give us the specific voltages to know what kind of battery it is. Okay, so this right here is a AAA battery from a Duracell AAA battery, and we're going to test it out. Okay, so right off the bat, inside the box you have 3 components. You have this digital multimeter, and you have 2 probes. You have the black LED and the red LED. At the back, it has some engravings. I don't know if you can see. Okay, can you see? Okay, wait, hold up. Now, so it says, warning: to avoid electrical shock, remove test LEDs from opening case. Okay, so like I think from opening this case right here, like it's going to shock us. So like we're not gonna do that. Okay, we got that right off. And also here it said, caution: for continued protection against the fire, replace with fuse of the So let's go to the front of the multimeter. You have the off switch, and you have this giant dial at the center, so you can change it to any position on it literally, and it's going to show literal numbers on it. Okay, wow, you can turn it like clockwise. It doesn't have a stop. So cool. And right here we are going to look at every bit of abbreviations there, so like you can understand what they are for. So right away you have this DCV, which means direct current voltage. So it is used for, like, you can use it in batteries and your electronics, and like for example your AA batteries and your phone chargers. So, and also we have ACV. The ACV means alternating current voltage. So alternating current are usually found in your wall outlets, your sockets and power lines. Okay, so next right here on this green outlined side is the DCA, and that's the direct current amperes. So like it is measuring how the current flows inside the DC current, and it is rarely used unless like you are troubleshooting electronics, like just trying to see if you can jumpstart it. Yeah. So next is also this red side. I think it's the only one that is demarcated red, and it is used for like high DC currents. So DC currents that are up to 10 amperes. You get me? So also here, this place right here, it is like used for special functions. So it's like for testing your transistors. So that's why it has a special hole right here, and you can see it is labeled NPN and PNP. NPN and PNP are like bipolar transistors, you understand? So yeah, we also have the model name, the AVD830D. So yeah, I think I've already talked about that before. And yeah, so right away we are going to test test this out and see, see if it works, see if it is legit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so now we are going to check these two batteries voltage using a multimeter. They are both triple A batteries, Duracell batteries, and I'm going to test them out. Oh, don't slip off. And so firstly, what you're going to do is this black LED right here. Yeah, this black LED right here. Why does the battery keep? So this black LED right here, we are going to fix it into the bottom. We're going to fix it here, there, and this other part right here, for the red one, we are going to fix it inside the 10 ADC part. No, sorry, the volt resistance, bruh. What am I reading? So it's like the middle port. You're going to plug it inside the middle port. So there you go. So you're going to leave that down, and also you're going to turn the dial to 20, because like that's where it's a DC, it's a direct current voltage. So that's what batteries are. Okay, you have your battery right here, and you're going to place this side on the positive side and this on the negative side. So let's see. Okay, as you can see here, it's varying between 80 to 90. So that's it for the video. It's a multimeter video, and yeah, that's basically how you test it on the AAA battery. But if you want me to do more with this multimeter, drop a comment down below. And yeah, you've seen how it works. So yeah guys, that's it about the multimeter video. As you can see, we've tested the batteries out, we've gone through every part of it, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I also enjoyed making this video. If you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button, subscribe if you can, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more of my videos. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.